How to log in into ADIB mobile banking app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can go on with the process of logging in into the mobile banking app of the ADIB, which is Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank. So let's go on with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to log in into the application, first of all you need to have the application installed on your device. If you don't have it, head over to the Play Store application on your device if you are on an Android device, and if you are on an Android phone, and just download the application by going to the search bar and typing ADIB mobile banking on your search bar. After that, click on install, and after the installation is complete, just simply tap on open. And after tapping on open, you will be taken to the ADIB homepage where you'll be finding options here like join ADIB and I am a customer. Click on the first option that says join ADIB, click on it, and you need to enter your UAE number here. So after entering your UAE number, you'll be taken to another page and you need to enter your contact details, including everything, and wait for the mobile number to be verified. Otherwise, apart from this, below this join ADIB, you can find this option called I am a customer. Just click on it, and there are 3 identification process which will let you in the app. One of them is mobile number and Emirates ID. For that, you need to have your mobile number and your Emirates ID. Just enter your mobile number. After that, you'll be going on with the process of verification. Maybe you'll receive the 6-digit code onto your mobile number. Just enter that and get into the application. Otherwise, the second option we have here is account number and app EPIN. So you're gonna enter on this account number section. After that, you're gonna enter your account number details and your EPIN. After that, slide to confirm and get into the app. Other than that, the last option we have available is card number and card pin. Just click on it and you'll be finding your card number here. Just enter your card number details and your card pin details. After that, slide to confirm and get in the app. So that's how you basically log in into the ADIB mobile banking app using these methods. So follow these methods in order to log in into it. So therefore, you may follow the same method. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.